Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I am gonna unbox this Realme Narzo 90x smartphone that is 5G. Let's unbox this. You can see Realme Narzo model this side, and at the back you will see some specification over here. So first let's unbox it and I will tell you. So first here we go, and you can see make it real box, and then here it is the handset. Let's open it. So friends, here it is the mobile phone. Let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. Here it is a tray, and here it is, you can see the type C charging cable, USB to type C charging cable, and one power adapter. So you can see the power adapter is very powerful, about 80 volt of fast charging it provides. It is compatible and lightweight also. Let's keep it inside and check what is in this box also. So here it is, make it real. Let's open this. So in this you will get this case. Here you can see. Let's open it. So you will see one sim tray tool is given and a quick start guide, and one there it is case. You can see it, this side it is like a, it's, you can see the design is very beautiful. You can see its effect. It is a rubber material case, as you can see. Let's keep it inside and check what's about the phone specifications. So friends, let's unwrap this smartphone. So you can see it is in blue color, nitro blue color and flash blue color are two color variants in this. So I have get this one. So you can see Realme branding over this side. Let's see what's back of this box. So in this smartphone you will get 7000 mAh Titan battery, 144 hertz plus 1200 nits of ultra bright display, and Sony 50 megapixel rear AI camera with 400% ultra volume. So let's open this. So in this you will see there it is the camera. There is a 3 camera setup, one ring light is there, you can see. And let's talk about the battery. So friends, it is has 7000 mAh battery, but it is too lightweight also. Let's talk about this ports and buttons. So friends, you will get a volume up and down rocker button, one power on off button. At the bottom you will see here it is one speaker is there, one charging type C cable, charging type C port is here, and one this TF card, or you can say SIM card slot is there. At this side it is nothing. At the top you will see microphone is there. So let's open it. So friends, you can see this refresh rate, how smooth it is because of 144 hertz of refresh rates. Let's check in the settings also. Let's click on settings and search screen refresh rate, and you can see it has 144 hertz of refresh rate. That is a good part of the smartphone at this price range. So you will get a 7000 mAh battery at this lightweight smartphone. So let's talk about another setting. So let's click on system and update, and where it is about device. So you will see here it is 128 GB model. Processor is MediaTek Dimensity 6300 with 7000 mAh battery, and RAM you can see 6 GB is there, and 8 GB you can extend. So you can see about 14 GB you can extend. And you will see the camera, that is 50 megapixel of back camera, 8 megapixel camera is there in this smartphone. And you can see here it is has performance booster engine also in this. You can see here it is the display size, that is 17.3 centimeter. And let's talk about the other things. Let's click on this camera, and you will see there are lots of modes are here. And in this mode you will get a pro mode, high res, pano, film, slow motion, time lapse, dual video, view video, and scanner, tilt shift, portrait, photo, you can see this, and you can click a picture also. You can see when you just zoom it, the pixel will not be you can see like this. So you can see how clear the photos are coming. And it has lots of more. Let's check the highest resolution. So click on this video and you have to click on this, and you can see it can record 1080 pixel at 30 fps. It is the highest rate of the video resolution. So let's test its video quality. So first you have to open your YouTube and let's click on here. Friends, you can see this, the quality of the video right there. So you can see it's look like 3D, and you can see, let's check the video quality here in advance. So you will get a 1440 pixel at 60 fps. That is the best quality you can watch your any video. So you can see when you just zoom it, the pixel will not be broken, and you can zoom up to 8x. So you can see, so this is how you can record. And friends, let's test its speaker also. It says that it has 400% volume. So let's click on this NCS, and you can see I have increased the volume to the 4x, 400x. So friends, you can see its speaker, that is 400. You can check it also here, it is written 400 at this speaker. And let's talk about the another things, that is the charge speed. So friends, it charge 50% in just 35 minutes with 60 volt of fast charging, and it has a long last battery also. So you can see its display, it has a curve like this here. You can see its smoothness is very good at this price range. Friends, let's come to the main point, that is the IPS. What IPS does it have? So friends, it has IP65 dust and water resistance, built to handle splashes, dust and daily challenges with ease, and reliable durability for rain, travel and everyday adventures. So you can carry it, but if you just drop into the water, it will not work. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then comment me what type of videos and tips and tricks you want from this smartphone. And thanks for watching.